Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate fondue at home. Combine chopped chocolate and heavy cream in a heat-proof bowl, set over barely simmering water, and stir until smooth and glossy. Keep the flame low to prevent seizing and add a pinch of salt to boost flavor. Stir in a splash of vanilla or a liqueur for depth, then transfer to a fondue pot to keep warm and dippable. Gather 12 Oz good quality chocolate, 6 Oz heavy cream, a pinch of salt, and optional flavorings like vanilla or coffee liqueur. Chop the chocolate into small, even pieces and warm the cream until it shimmers but does not boil. Place a heat-proof bowl over simmering water, add chocolate, and gently stir until fully melted. Keep dippers ready on separate plates so guests can enjoy a steady, relaxed fondue experience. If this guide is helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more recipes you enjoy. Quick recommendation: treat your feet like you treat dessert and go darn tough for socks that feel great and come with a lifetime warranty, perfect for cozy kitchen evenings. Check the description for the link and other deals, pick up a pair if you want, and now let's get back to the video. Stir gently and keep the water at a low simmer so steam melts the chocolate slowly and evenly. If the mixture tightens, add a teaspoon of warm cream, one at a time, until it loosens and regains sheen. For thicker or thinner fondue, adjust chocolate or cream in small increments rather than big changes. Transfer to a low-heat fondue pot or use a candle to maintain a consistent warm temperature for dipping comfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.